Hello students, I am Hemlata ma'am. I will be taking your English literature. Welcomes you all to our first lecture. Okay, in our first lecture, we are going to start with the poem on killing a tree, written by the Giv Patel. So students, in this poem, the poet persuades the right reader not to destroy trees and compare it with the killing or with the human being. Here, the poet compares the killing of a tree with the human beings. So students, let's start this poem. Okay, it takes much time to kill a tree. Not a simple jab of the knife will do it. It has grown, slowly consuming the earth, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air and water. Here, students, in these lines, the poet says that it is not easy to cut a tree by merely cutting the trunk of the tree. He says that a tree has absorbed years of sunlight, water, air, nutrition from the soil to gradually grow a huge tree. So, a simple jab of the knife can cut the tree? No, students, will not kill the tree. Okay, in next line, and out of its leprous hide sprouting leaves, so hack and chop, but this alone won't. So hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. So students, here hide means the cover, the outer layer of anything. Okay, here the skin of the animals that we use to make the jacket or belt. Okay, so here hide means the thing that cover upper layer that covers the body. Okay, here hide is the cover of the outer layer of the skin, and leprous, here the leprous means that deep patches when we cut the tree by the knife, the patches that the bark of the tree get, that patches are known as leprous. Okay students, here and sprouting. So here in this stanza, here this poet says by just cutting the tree by the knife gives the deep patches on the outer layer of the tree, but it doesn't cut the tree. After few days the leaves will come out. Okay students, and they will grow. Okay, it's not a simple jab of the knife can cut the tree. It will grow again and again. Okay. Not so much pain will do it. The bleeding bark will heal, and from close to the ground will rise curled green things, miniature bows, which, if unchecked, will expand again to former size. In this stanza, the poet compares it with a human being. When a tree is cut, the sap flows just like a wounded man bleeds. When the human beings had got injured, the bleeding comes just like only when we cut the tree, the sap from the trees flows like bleeding. Okay. सो व्हेन द ह्यूमन बींग को अगर चोट लगती है तो वो धीरे वाउंडे हो जाती है, वो हील धीरे धीरे चोट अच्छी हो जाती है, देन सिमिलरली स्किन के साथ मर्ज हो जाती है. ओके, सो likewise only when we we damage the some part of the tree, after some times it will again grow. Okay, and new branches and tiny leaves starts growing from there. which later grows into the tree. In this paragraph, the miniature means that if we cut the small things, another things will also grow, same kind. Okay. Next paragraph. No, the root is to be pulled out of the anchoring earth. It is to be roped, tied and pulled out, snapped out or pulled out entirely, out from the earth cave, and the strength of the tree exposed. Okay, in this stanza the poet states, students, where does the strength of the tree lies? Yes, the strength of the tree lies in its roots part. Okay, so in order to destroy a tree, it has to be uprooted. The roots, which are white in color and damp due to moisture, they get from the soil. So in order to kill the tree, these hidden roots have to be detached from the soil. Okay, so if once the roots are detached, the tree starts dying. Okay, let's see further. The source, white and weight, the most sensitive, hidden from years inside the earth. Okay, students, here this talks about the description of the roots, that they are the source, the establisher, the developer of the trees. Okay, this is the very hidden part and the strength of the trees through which the tree grows. Okay. Now the matter of scorching and choking in sun and air, browning, hardening, twisting, withering, and then it is done. It is done. This all in this stanza, this all is about the description of the roots, that once the roots are detached, the tree starts dying, its weather dries up with the action of heat. Heat milti hai. When soil, earth was there, roots were there to provide the every nutrients required by the tree. But if the roots are detached, so through the action of heat, wind, twist, hardens, and finally the trees die. Okay, students, this was your first poem on the killing of the tree by the Giv Patel. Thank you. Students, these are some new words and meanings of that. You have to write these words as a new word in your fair book, and then next topic you have to write these meanings, okay, in your English fair book.